today's video with mukbang. I have patero. Palapa. And then patero. Patero comes with palapa. So let's do. Ano siya? Bisaya siya na Bisaya term. Banana wrap with. Tag 35 lang siya guys. Ano siya yung rice, udon. And then this is what it looks like. And then we pair it with this one. So masarap. So let's eat. Not sure if you see it, but okay, wait, I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's use the box. And then this is the palapa. So smell good, right? So let's eat. Ilokang good ba guys? Anong sulit? So ito na siya. Show nyo guys. Let's see what that's it. Sarap. Sarap. So savory. This is beef, ground beef. The palapa is like, ano ba is pen? Basta na yun. This is nyo na lang. For those who don't know what palapa, you can search and Google it. Mabos pa. Time check, it's 12 a.m. And this is midnight snack. And you just put like that. Wrap it again. And put it back. That's easy. So convenient. Hindi nagmamadali ka. For a student. This is the best. So good. Kung talagang di ka ba, alam mo nito saan mabibili. That's all for today's vlog. Mukbang series. Bye!